Good morning, third grade. I wanted to say a few words about the virtual classroom. So the only thing that changes, the only things that do change on the virtual classroom, is the subjects on the board and the morning message. Okay. So my morning message, obviously, when you click on that, you will get the morning message for that day. Today we're doing writers workshop, so there will be a link to my instructional video about how to write the summary. Science is the same as yesterday. For those that maybe want to watch it again or will need a review because you are doing a little science test today. And then for math, there is a link today to Splash, which we'll have to figure out. And then on the bookshelf here, the bookshelf has the resources that stay, right? So there's a link to the dictionary, a link to thesaurus. This thing here I added yesterday, that's the Audible. You can click on that and select the book to listen to. Generation Genius, obviously, reading A to Z, I Excel. And you may find here a book that we are currently reading or a book that I recommend you read. But this, for the most part, does not change. The links stay the same. Now, what changes is subjects on the whiteboard and my morning message. All right. So today we will start with writing, and we will do writing the entire morning, and then after snack, science and math. Now, reminder, the virtual classroom is on Google Classroom under classwork on the very top next to choice board, right? And if you want a link added there, let me know. If there's something that you want me to put there, my goal is that the virtual classroom, you go there and you have all the resources at your fingertip. So if you want to do a little bit of Excel, a little bit of reading, you can just be in the virtual classroom, click, click, done, right? Writing today. We are going to take the whole morning, so an hour and a half, because you will start your writing. Remember when we did our writers workshop, right? We weren't done in 15 minutes. So today we are trying to follow the same idea, okay? I'm going to give you 15 seconds to read what's on the slide. And hopefully you remember all of those steps from our writers workshop. Now, today I want you to start with watching my mini lesson. Watch it and see what I'm expecting you to do. You are retelling the story or Oliver Woodman, but there are certain elements that have to be there, okay? So watch the mini lesson. And then you're going to start with your first draft. You can do it on paper, you can do it on Google Classroom. I don't care. I mean, on Google Doc. I do not care. It's your choice, right? If you do it on Google Doc, I can give you feedback easier. But you can do it on paper. I can deal with that. All right. And then you're gonna read my feedback. And then tomorrow is the day off. I forgot to mention that. So on Friday you will start revising, right? Now, this is science. Science today, you're going to go into the Google Doc, answer some questions, identify all of these simple machines. So hopefully you watch the video. If you don't know, if you look at this now and you can't name them all, go back and watch the video again. All right. And then for math, we are going to figure out the new program. It's called Splash Learn, and it has a lot of math games. It's really fun, but it wouldn't let me set up the accounts for you. So I sent an email to parents yesterday asking to set up accounts for you. It can't be your email; it has to be the parents' email. So we're gonna figure this out and see if we can get on Splash in math. And that is it. Let's get to it, third graders.